Hi, my name is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. Today we're going to be performing some paintless dent removal on this 2018 Ford Raptor. This is an aluminum vehicle, so aluminum is a very difficult material to work on because it's got a higher tensile strength, and the fact that these are super deep, these dents, make it even more of a challenge. Especially being in the upper portion of the door. The upper portion of the door in this vehicle is obstructed, meaning there's a brace behind these dents, which typically we're going to get behind the dent with a special tool and manipulate that metal back into place without affecting the factory paint finish. You can see we've got a tool down inside that brace and we're pushing these dents, manipulating them slowly. And you can see we've got a good start on the repair. I'm going to finish the other two off here. The upper video shows the before and during, and the bottom video will show the after. Thanks for watching.